Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can set up Face ID in iPhone settings to use WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, if you go to your settings and simply go to search bar and type in Face ID and passcode. Once you have done that, all you have to do is tap on this other apps, and now you will be able to find the app that uses your Face ID. Unfortunately, while setting up your app, that permission wasn't asked by WhatsApp. That's why it is not showing over here, so we cannot toggle on or off, unfortunately, right? Just like for this app. Now we have to go back and access our WhatsApp on our phone. Once we're over here, all we have to do is tap on the settings option given on the bottom right, and then we have to access this option called privacy in the bottom section. And here in this section, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom till you get this option of screen lock. If you tap on it, you can see it requires Face ID. If you have turned this on, now if you go back, you can see now your WhatsApp is locked, and this is asking, do you want to allow WhatsApp to use your Face ID which you use on your device? Now tap on allow, and now it will simply ask you to scan your Face ID. Let's do it again. And if you can't, you can simply also choose to add your passcode and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.